Hi guys, I'm back. I did a quick purple eye tutorial while I was waiting for my hair to set. So I think about 15 minutes has passed approximately. So my hair is completely cool to the touch. So next we're just going to slowly start removing the rollers. I have like a little container here that I keep my rollers in. And don't forget that you put pins in some of them, because otherwise you'll yank your hair out. It won't be too pleasant. So I'm starting with the bottom row first. And then once I get that bottom row out, I'm just going to gently brush it. I'll show you. And then give it a little bit of a spray. And then next, I'm going to do these front ones here. These are the smallest rollers, so obviously they're going to give you a much tighter curl. Go right around the face. I lost the pin. Got it. So just want to show you from the back what the bigger rollers are going to look like when you let them down. You can see you've got like a lot of bounce and quite a big shape. So now once again we're just going to brush it out. I'm just giving it a spray across the back. I don't want to spray these curls in yet because they'll be a little too curly. So now I'm taking down the top layers, just getting them all down. Just gonna put them out of the way. So you can see already, without me having done any styling to it really, that we've got some nice, serious volume here. So now we're just going to run a brush through it. Just like this. So once you've brushed it through, this should basically be what you've got. And because I actually have a problem with like baby hair here, like the short hair, and it was much worse during my pregnancy actually. I lost a lot of hair. This bit sometimes turns out funky with the roller because it's a lot of short hair. So I'm just going to blow dry that straight quickly, just using the same round brush I was using earlier. Now I just kind of let it cool being pulled straight because I have a little bit of a problem with that. Now to get the volume that you see me using in some of my other videos where I have a lot of volume here, I do tease my hair. So what I do is I have this like shorter section here that frames my face. Just like that. Now right where my bangs part to go forward, there will be a layer of hair that we're going to skip. We're not going to tease this bit, but we want to separate it and section it off. So we're just going to section this thin layer. Just want to make sure that it's a nice thin layer by using our comb to kind of pull back every bit. So we're just going to comb that into our bang basically. And now we're just going to tease. And I'm using this type of teasing comb. I've been told that it's less damaging to the hair. I don't find that I have very much damage from teasing, but maybe I do. Now I'm going to be using a Wella volume hairspray. You can see it's sticking like straight up for you. So just spritz a little bit of volumizing hairspray. Take another thin layer right underneath that. Come up. And tease away. And then once you get a nice big poof, give it a spritz. And then usually I'll just do those two sections. And then I just match it with the side sections. And this is great if you're doing an updo of any sort by yourself at home. This is key to getting that really pretty updo. Because you need a lot of pretty volume. Last section that we're going to tease here. Don't I look like Cindy Lou Who? A little bit. So we're just going to flip it back. And this is our section of hair that's going to kind of go over that. We're just going to flip it back, and now we're going to, before we brush it actually, spread the teased areas. Just spread them out, kind of just by grabbing them and like pulling them as if they're a fan to open them. So you can see we've already got the basic shape. And then just taking like a simple brush like this, you're just gently combining them, but you're also just trying to smooth over any bumps. You don't want any like obvious lumps going on. And then I just take the smooth hair and cover the lumps. Cover the teased lumps. And then I just poof up and spritz. And I would spray my bangs. I'm using the Moroccan oil one for this one. And there you have it in its entirety. I'll show you from the back as well. So that is this look, and so it's my first hair tutorial. I hope it wasn't too choppy and weird. I hope that this is helpful for you to learn something new and how to get some fun volume in your hair and get like a more dressed up sort of 60s style do. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.